magically burst into flames. Woo. The rice multiplies, turn into a giant duck. Magically change order.
It's a shot glass.
He keeps climbing all over me just like this.
I just saw it go through. That's
right.
Oh my god, it did!
EvanEraTV.com.
Don't miss the bonus tip at the end of the video that will change the way you perform forever. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 magic tricks you need to try.
Give it a try.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. So you go to get a dollar bill out of your wallet and it magically bursts into flames. Woo. Here is the secret to the magic fire wallet. This is a classic trick and I've shown it in videos before. If you're a longtime fan of the channel, you've seen this thing and you've probably wanted one. Well, now you can get one from EvanEraTV.com just in time for Father's Day. Let me show you how the magic fire wallet works. So it's a genuine leather wallet. The secret is hidden inside. If you open the billfold, you can see there are 2 strike pads and it's got a little strike wheel right here on the side like a lighter would have. See, when I strike it, it creates sparks and ignites the lamp wick. So when you get this in the mail, this is what it will come with. It does not come with lighter fluid. You will need to get this yourself. That's what makes it safe for us to ship it out to you. Make sure you are using genuine lighter fluid and not butane or lamp oil. This is what you want to use. When you first get it, it might not be aligned in the proper position to where your finger is right here on the strike wheel, but you can remove the little strike pads and move them to a different part of the wallet. Mainly because when you strike it, you can ignite this wheel right here and then touch it to the other side and it will light up. Before the trick starts, you're going to take some lighter fluid and soak the wicks. Now you can put this in your pocket and carry it around with you all day. And then whenever you're ready, pull it out, spark the wheel, it will ignite into flames, and then to put it out, all you have to do is close the wallet and it will extinguish the flame. It's a real wallet, it just has this magic apparatus built into it. So it's perfect if you're out of the store, you're paying for something somewhere. You pull it out and it bursts into flames. It always gets a good reaction from people, and there's plenty of funny little throwaway lines that you can say like, oh, this money's burning a hole in my pocket. Or somebody sold me this wallet, they said it was hot, but I didn't know what they meant. Available now just in time for Father's Day at EvanEraTV.com. Get Dad a gift that he will really love. Get them now before they sell out, they're gonna go quick. It's a professional quality wallet, and the beauty of it is once it catches on fire, you slam it shut. You can then open it and show the audience. Nothing weird about it. Quick warning, any magic effect involving fire can be dangerous, so obviously if you're a kid or if you're anyone, perform this at your own risk. This is the magic color tube. You can see it's completely empty inside, and we have 3 little colored blocks here. There's a red one, a white one, and a blue one. So let me show you that the tube is indeed empty. You can drop the colored blocks right through it just like this. You can see the red one falls right through. Same with the white and the blue one. Now watch, we're gonna load the little colored block into the tube. The red goes first, pay attention to the order. Red first, then the white, and finally the blue. Now look, all we do is push them through to the other side, and look, the blocks magically change order to blue, red, and then white. Here's the secret to the magic wonder blocks, an extra block, and that's going to be hidden in your hand when the trick starts. So you can show off the tube to the audience, and then as you drop these through to show that it's just a normal tube and the beads will go right through it, the white will drop through like normal, the red will drop through like normal, but the blue one will stay inside the middle of the tube. You want to time it so that when you drop this one and it sticks, the other one falls out of your hand. And now you have one of the blue blocks secretly loaded inside. Now all you have to do is insert the blocks into the opposite side in the order of red, white, and then blue. And when they come out the other side, they will automatically switch order because of the extra block inside and become blue, red, then white. And because of the design of the blue block, it will not slide through. In this cup, I have my magic worm. You can see him right there, and he actually is alive. He doesn't like being in the cup, so he's gonna climb out of it, as you can see. He keeps climbing all over me just like this. He's actually kind of shy, so it's really hard to get a good shot of him, but you can see he'll hide in my hand just like that. This is the magic worm. Check it out. It looks so cool. It really looks like he's alive. Stay tuned for the secret to the magic worm coming up next. Here's what comes in the package when you get the Wonder Worm. It comes with full instructions. You open this thing up. You can see right here on the end, it has a little piece of paper with magic thread wrapped around it. You want to start out by unraveling this. Now, once you have it fully unraveled, you're going to tuck this piece in your waistline or in your belt. So once you've got the string attached to your belt or tucked into your waistline, mind. This is all about how you move your hand. As you can see, as you drag your hand up like this, because it's attached to my belt loop, it really looks like he's just crawling across my hand. So anytime you bring your hands up, it's going to move in the direction of where it's anchored. So you can show him off in your hands and say, watch, he actually comes to life and he starts crawling all over me. There's a lot of different presentations that you can do with this. You just gotta practice the movement until it looks lifelike. It looks like a little woolly worm just crawling around your hand. You can have him crawl into your hand like this. You can put him down inside a cup, and then by simply pulling upward, he will jump out of the cup. The possibilities really are endless with this little guy. Pick one up from EvanEraTV.com at the link in the description today, and fool your friends and family with your new little pet. Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you with this thing. Check it out. Okay. It's a solid plexiglass frame. It's like a little window, and just verify that that is like solid and nothing can go through it. Also have 2 playing cards here, 2 kings. Check these out for me as well.
2 kings, okay.
Yep, all right, seem normal enough? Mm-hmm. All right, check this out. Take one of the kings, goes right here in the card frame like this.
Okay.
You can see the other one gonna go just like this. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Facing each other.
So you can see cards on both sides of it, and I have a pencil. I'm gonna take the pencil like this, and watch. I can actually
push through.
poke
What?
it right through the card in the frame, just like
Oh
that.
my god!
Now check this out. You can see there's like clearly a hole through there, right?
Whoa!
Right. So check
Just
this
a
out.
pencil?
Yeah, but look, if I pull the cards out,
Shut up!
check it out.
I just saw it go through. That's. Oh my god! It did!
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick, it's extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. This is the magic card frame. Let me show you the secret of how this works. This comes with everything you need, and the frame is pretty much self-working. It locks into place, so you can pass this out for examination to the audience. Now, when you slide a playing card into the frame like this, it's going to free up the frame so that it can slide. Let me show you on the other side. The playing card unlocks the frame so that you can slide this hole into place. It'll slide right back down like that, and it hides behind this piece of plastic. So you slide that into position, and that is how you are able to put the pencil through the playing cards and the frame at the same time, and it looks like it has somehow just magically penetrated this glass. You then pull it out, and as you're pulling the cards out, you're just going to secretly slide the frame back into place like that, and now you can hand this out for examination again, and when they inspect the plexiglass, there's nothing to find. There's no hole, and it seems like that pencil just somehow impossibly passed through the frame. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win the magic card frame. I'm giving one away to one lucky viewer. I have 2 empty plastic bowls here, and I also have some rice. Check this out. I'm going to fill one of the bowls with rice, just like this. Now check this out. I'm going to take the other bowl, and I'm going to put it on top of that bowl, just like that. Now watch. I'm going to flip the bowls over 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now check this out. If I snap my fingers, look, the rice magically multiplies just like that. It's not over yet. Watch, I take this empty bowl, slide it on top, gonna move this rice off. Now look, if I take the bowls and I flip them over one more time, boom, watch. Snap my fingers and look. The rice magically turns into a bowl of water. The first thing you're gonna need for this trick is some rice. And then you're going to need this magic kit, available at EvanEraTV.com. It comes with everything you need to perform the magic rice bowl. The main components of that are these 2 little plastic bowls. They'll last for thousands of performances. And this clear plastic disc. Take one of the little plastic bowls and fill it up with water. When you put this piece of plastic on top, it's going to form a seal just like that. Now this works very similar to the upside down bottle of water or the upside down wine glass, and that when you turn this upside down, this piece of plastic is going to stick in place because of the suction created by the water inside the bowl. So now we can set this on top of some rice on the table, so when we pick it up, it makes it easy to lift. And our secret piece of plastic is still held in place by the water. Present the other bowl to the audience, and we're going to fill this bowl with rice. You're ready to place the other one on top. When you lift it up, the audience will believe that it is empty because it's upside down. down and nothing's coming out. Set that right on top of the bowl that you just filled with rice. Hold the bowls together as you flip them over 3 times. 1, 2, and on the 3rd time, it's going to put it in position. Now, all you're going to do is lift the top bowl off slowly, and it will look like the rice has magically multiplied. The rice is actually sitting right on top of the plastic disc. The water is actually in the bowl underneath, but it looks like the rice is multiplied. Take the other bowl that's still empty, and we're going to slide it on top just like this and push the rice out of the way. We flip it once, twice. We're gonna take the little plastic disc with us when we pull this off. And you say, look, the rice is now changed into water. And you're gonna take that lid with you, set it aside. You show that it is somehow turned into water. Get yourself a set of magic rice bowls at EvanEraTV.com today. All right, it is bonus trick time. This is our new giant dove mask. This is the perfect thing to add to a dove routine. You can make a bunch of doves disappear and then you turn into a giant dove. You can also use it for pranks.
Y'all notice? Oh my god.
Be sure to stay tuned for the end of the video to win a free giant dove mask.
Hey Dad, I got you a Father's Day gift.
Oh, that's so nice. What is it?
It's a shot glass.
A shot glass? I don't even drink.
Just open it.
There's a hole in it.
Yes, it's a shot glass.
This is called the Just Shot Glass. It is a new product that we have available at EvanEraTV.com. It's actually made from real glass, and it is a functional shot glass. You can fill it with liquid, and somehow there is just impossibly a hole right through the middle of the glass. Now, the reason this is possible is because it's actually a double-walled glass. You can see once I have emptied the liquid out of the glass, if you look closely, here in the middle, there's like a passage, a little tube of glass that runs right through the middle. That is what makes the whole illusion possible. This actually would make a perfect Father's Day gift, and it's a fun joke at the same time. Check out the link in the description at EvanEraTV.com if you want to get a Just Shot Glass. Or stay tuned for the end and win one in this week's giveaway. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you see all of our videos. Here is the bonus tip. When you're performing a trick, think of it like a story that you're telling to the audience. And you want that story to be clear and easy to remember. So when you approach a performance, think about how the audience member is going to tell that story to other people once they've experienced the trick. Approach your performance with storytelling in mind, because every magic trick is a story in and of itself. Tell the story to the audience. Do that, and you'll change the way you perform forever. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. You can win the magic fire wallet, the woolly worm, the penetration frame, the magic rice bowls, the magic shot glass, and this awesome dove mask. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to the winners of that giveaway. If you want to participate in this giveaway, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll be going through the comments section and picking random comments and mailing out the magic to you. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave a comment on this video and hit the thumbs up. If you missed the last episode of How to Magic, be sure to check it out right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.